I have a 2011 Chrysler Town & Country. First thing you're gonna do, pop the hood on that. To the left, slide over, open up, put the hood holder in. Here's where our air filter is. We're just gonna come in here. There's 3 clips. There, 1, 2, on the side here. 3. Lift this up. That is dirty. So put a new one in. So there's our new one. Make sure it's a match. This one is. I already did. Come in here. Just lift that back up and slide it in. If you have a vacuum, I'm on a trip, so I don't. I'll vacuum that out. Get this dropped in there, and then make sure it's seated all the way along on the edge. This side wasn't dropping in, but I got it, so we want to make sure that that's flush. And we're just going to drop this cover back down. There are 3 little clips there. You want to get those back into there. And just clip it back on. 2, and that last one right there, 3. And that's it. And that's how you change the air filter on a Chrysler Town & Country. Move your little hood clip. I'm just gonna drop the hood, lift up, make sure it's sealed, and hopefully that helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.